Hey, what is up guys, Sam here and welcome back to episode 8 of the Discord bot coding tutorial series. This coding series is brought to you by Salad. Salad is an easy to use application that allows you to earn money while you're not using your computer. Salad uses your computer's graphics card to mine cryptocurrency and allows you to redeem rewards such as Discord Nitro, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards and so much more. Salad is an official Discord partner with a Discord server of over 40,000 members. With almost 900,000 people already using Salad, why not sign up today? Use code TDE2 for 2 times your earnings for a limited time only. Thank you to Salad for sponsoring this series. So in this episode, we're actually going to be tidying up our previously worked on buttons a bit, because obviously right now this is turning a bit like the command handler situation. Before we had a command handler and it was all just if command equals this and all that stuff in all this one file. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to take what we've done with our command handler and basically apply something similar to buttons. So basically a button handler. So we're going to be using our manage command again. So we're going to head back here. And this time we're going to change this to the command name. So it's going to be manage-ban-member ID. So manage-kick/member ID. So what this will do is it will tell us what command we need to send this button to be able to process the result. So manage ban, manage kick, that's all we need to do for now. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to go ahead and head back over to our main file. And I'm going to remove, I'll just comment these out for now. So you can press Control and slash to comment things out. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our code up here. So now we have 3 different properties. We'll have the command name dash the action such as ban and the user's ID. So we're going to have this as command action ID. So the first thing we're going to do is basically we're going to be doing what we did up here, except we're going to be doing it as a button instead of a command. But I'll show you what we need to do now to actually process the button. So what we're going to do is put in let command method, or let's make it let button method equal commands.get command. So what we're doing is we're now getting the command that has the name of this command here. Let's do it, there's no command, then return. So now that we know the button exists, one thing we need to do now is we'll need to go ahead and create our method. So we're going to have, we have module.exports.run up here. So we're going to make module.exports.button. We're going to take in bot, interaction, and member. Okay, so now that we have that, we can basically head back here and take this code, copy it, and we can put it into here. So we're going to need to change a few things around. So right now we're checking things like if command is ban, if command is kick. So we're just going to actually pass in, we'll keep member and we'll pass in an action. So now we can just do if action is equal ban and if action equals kick. And one final thing we do need to do is we're going to head over to our slash register. So what we're doing right now is every time the bot turns on, we're setting the command's name equal to command.run. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this and we're just going to set it to command. So basically that gives us access to every method in this file. So instead of just having our run method, we can also access data or button, for example. So what we can do now is head back to our index.js and we can change this to command method.run, since now we have to call the run method off of the command file. And that means then down here we can do button method.button. Probably have named that a bit better, but we'll just change it to button callback. And what we can do then is we'll pass in, what are we passing in here? So we're passing in bot, interaction, member, and action. So I'm just going to copy this over here. And one thing I didn't notice here, you actually have to change this now to button callback instead of button method since we changed the name. And we need to make this a capital B for bot. And other than that, we should be good to go. So let's head over to Discord. We'll do /manage Sam. And I'm going to go ahead and try out kick. And we'll see, success, I was kicked. And all of that, no errors, worked perfectly. So one final thing we're going to do is we're going to prevent anyone to be able to click the button, because right now those kick and ban buttons, anyone can click them and it will register as a command. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to our manage command and we're going to change these custom IDs. So we're going to do manage dash and then the person who sent the so interaction.member.id, and then we have dash ban and dash the user's ID. So we can copy this then for down here. And now we have the person who sent the command's ID in there. So what we can do is head back to our index.js and we can change this a bit, because obviously now we're going to have command name dash user ID dash ban. So we're going to have user ID. So what we're going to do now is we're going to if user ID, actually no, sorry, if member.id is not equal to user ID, return. So they can't press the button basically. So this is a much nicer way to organize our buttons, since now we can pretty much just have them in here without having them all crowding into the main file, so we can keep everything about the command into this one file, which is really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit of a shorter one, but it's really important to keep your files organized, and I think having the button, having the run for the command, and having the data all in one place is a really nice way of being able to easily manage your command, because if I want to change something about the options, I can change it up here. If I want to change how the command runs, it's here, or the button interacts, it's here. It's all in one file, and that means then you never really have to go near your index.js file. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.